Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on the icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Go Live option. And if you're sure, tap on the Continue button. You can add title if you want to. And if you're sure, tap on Go Live button. And this is how you can go live on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.